if you have a static website, you don't have a lot of information coming in and going out. Of course, you can work without a database, but if you're engaging more with your clients, if you have information that you need to be selling, if you have information that you need to be interacting with it, you have traffic coming in and going out, of course, you will need a database for it. And setting up is very simple. You can set up your SQL codes, you can set up your tables and your columns, all of that kind of information, and you can access all of it.
So which type of databases does the TrueHost support?
It can use MySQL database. If you're running on MySQL, of course, they can work. You can upload your files, you can have your table. There's the cPanel logins where you can have them. You can also have PostgreSQL, SQLite, MongoDB. As long as you're using all of them, you can actually have them. And we were actually discussing about MySQL, because MySQL, of course, is a very popular choice for most websites. It's very easy to use, it's very beginner friendly, it arranges your data very well, the tables, the columns, the rows, all of that. It's very reliable, it's fast, it's a tested system. So if you are doing MySQL, of course, you can always use TrueHost for that, and you can access all of this information very fast. Personally, I have used MySQL before. I know how easy it is to use, but even if you don't have that level of technicality, of course, you can always get support from our TrueHost support team. And even if you use WordPress, of course, there are people who prefer using WordPress for their websites. Even if you're using WordPress, even if you're using Joomla, even if you're using Drupal, your site is almost certainly running on MySQL with that. And MariaDB, we said MySQL usually goes hand in hand with MariaDB. Their formats are maybe sometimes almost compatible. And because it was created by the original developers, so they are similar, they work in a sort of similar way. So if you're using MySQL, if you're using MariaDB, we all know there are some formats where they only support MySQL but not MariaDB. But if you're using whichever one of them, TrueHost offers you support for that. And the next one is PostgreSQL. If you prefer this one, PostgreSQL is another robust and open source database. It's open source, meaning you can get it for free.